How to record on iPhone, screen record on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can screen record on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to screen record on iPhone, before you swipe down a control panel setting, you need to make sure that the screen recording toggle is added here. To make sure it is added or not on your control center, open up settings and just go to control center. You want to make sure that screen recording is selected here. If it's not selected, you'll find them from here, so tap on the plus button from here and then add them first of all. Now once you've done that, you can simply swipe down from the top right hand menu. Now you can long press first of all. If you also want to record the microphone or your voice, you have to turn on microphone. So if you don't turn this on and if you leave it off, it will only record your device audio and not your audio. But if you want to record your audio as well, you have to turn this on, tap on the start recording option, and then your screen recording will begin successfully. This way you will be able to record on iPhone or screen record on iPhone, to be precise. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.